Hey, in this quick example, I'm going to show you how to drag a series of dates and to actually generate dates by weeks and not subsequently by months or days. So let's give you an example here. Historically, what I would have done is actually I would have put dates in, let's say, UK or European styling. So it would have been the 3rd of the 10th, 2023. And my next date, which I would have been looking for, was, let's say, the following week, the 10th of the 10th, 2023. And I would have dragged these two dates in the hope that it would generate weekly dates. But what actually happens here, we go from the 10th to the 10th to the 5th of the 10th, 24, to the 12th of the 10th, 24. So this isn't ideal and it's not exactly what I'm looking for. Now, the solution to this is actually to move towards American style dating. So let's move to a different column. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 2023, and then we're going to take the same date sequence. We're going to go 2023 10 hyphen 03. And then what we're going to do is the next date, which will be the week after, 2023, we go hyphen 10 hyphen 10. And we're going to drag these down, and that's going to move it by week. So let me just drag this here. We're going to wait for the plus sign to pop up, and we'll see these generate out by week. So it's gone from the 10th to the 17th to 24th, exactly how we like it. Now, if you want to format the dates a bit differently, we can go into format and we can go number, and then we can actually change the styling of actually how we want the dates to appear here. And that moves it back to a different styling. So whatever your preference is. But this is your example of actually how you solve dragging dates by week and not by date, which is sort of the default that a lot of people may go for.